have a regular cycle? So many women struggle with this. Did you know acupressure can help regulate your cycle? What you're gonna do for me is really simple. You're gonna put your fingers together and lock them in just like that. But before I teach you that acupressure tip, one little reminder. I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be a part of our 30-day series, as well as like the video. And next, what you're gonna do is, as you've interlocked these fingers together, I want you to gently massage the fingers just like this. In Chinese medicine, very interesting that the fallopian tubes are represented by the fingers. And how does regulating a cycle happen? It starts with the onset of ovulation, and as the egg gets released into the uterus, the lining sheds, and there you have your period. And so this acupressure tip helps you to trigger the sequence of events that can help you to have a regular cycle. I want you to do this couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 regular periods. And you can use this tip or any of the other tips, but I want you to get in the habit of doing a tip 3 times a day till you get 3 regular periods. And of course, stop when you're pregnant. In addition, see your doctor, get checked out by him or her, and also follow any recommendations that he or she may give you. Acupressure is a great way to add to the recommendations that your doctor may give. And one other thing that, if I can mention, is to do your very best to manage stress. Now, if you think about it, if you're stressed out and you're not sleeping, then it's not the best environment. Your cortisol levels are high, and the hormones, what is available, is not available as much, whether it be estrogen or progesterone, FSH, and LH. And the reason why I'm such a big advocate of doing acupressure and showing you different acupressure tips is that it relaxes the body. And as the body relaxes, then the cortisol levels are able to go down, and you have more available hormone to help you with estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH, which gives you the natural balance to giving you the right environment, not only for regulating your cycle, but also for fertility. So do me this favor. I want to help you on your wellness journey. So what you're gonna do, again, is do this acupressure tip or any of the other tips I've given you for a couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 regular cycles. And I wish you all the best on your wellness and fertility journey from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.